The minute you walk into Diane's kitchen, you just feel at home, you feel loved. The food is just amazing. The energy that she puts into her cooking, into the people that are in the class are just amazing. I think some of the funniest moments are, just really when she talks about herself and her experience with food, and she shares it with us, and we feel like we're part of her family. And I really want to say that as much as I enjoyed the cooking experience, I love the camaraderie of all the people here. We ended up, we're my sister and my daughter together, and I feel like all the other people that I was here with are now my new Greek family, because we started taking family photos together, and then by the end of this trip, we're all taking photos together, all 12 of us, and really enjoying our time. I'm Greek, and I thought, okay, I cook Greek food, is this for really people that aren't Greek? And let me just tell you, I've cooked a lot of family dinners. You will not have the same experience. You will have the same experience, I should say, as someone who isn't Greek, as you are if you are Greek. Because what you're really getting is you're getting a passion for just putting things together and putting them together in a way that just breathes love. So yeah, your yaya may have done it, and you may have tried it 10 times before you could get it as good as she does, but here there is zero pressure. You don't have to worry if you're not doing it perfectly, and it just makes me feel warm and welcome. Bringing my daughter here was an amazing experience, and here with my sister and all my new friends that I have here. This is just the best experience. Ikaria is the most beautiful place. The food is the best. We've cooked up some delicious recipes, but more than anything, we cooked up a lot of fun.